I have been waiting for this convocation, and this is the most beautiful moment in my life.
Nostalgic, but I love coming back here.
हमें अपने बच्चे पे प्राउड हो रहा है.
I don't know how I'm feeling. There is a lot of emotions, so I'm just trying to figure out.
It's a big day today. It is a convocation for the class of 2025 as they prepare to bid goodbye to an amazing journey in this very campus. The energy is really high, there are smiles everywhere, and we thought what better day than today to ask about what they will miss from the university, what they'll take home, and everything in between. So how does it feel to come back to the university for the convocation?
Receiving the degree after 2 years of unlimited assignments, field work, field practices. It's very good to be here while watching the professors again, while re-enjoying going the classes again.
I'm very happy to be back because I'll get to see all my friends, classmates, my professors. I love coming back here. It's felt for a very long time like home, and that's why it's great to be back.
हमें अपने बच्चे पे प्राउड हो रहा है. इतना अच्छे यूनिवर्सिटी से मास्टर डिग्री किया है और इसकी मेहनत और यहाँ का टीचर्स के सपोर्ट के कारण इसका अंतरा फाउंडेशन में यहीं से प्लेसमेंट हुआ. ये हमारे लिए बड़े गर्व की बात है.
I'm kind of glad it's over. It was long 3 years. Finally getting the degree. Yeah.
Great, congrats on that. Tell me one thing that you will miss definitely from the university.
I think one thing I'll miss from campus is the friends obviously, but also Darshini. Yeah. Darshini was a good spot to sit and chill, talk with everybody. Yeah. You don't have third spaces like that outside, I guess. Very sittable campus. You can sit anywhere and talk. We'll miss that. Yeah.
I'll miss this vibrant energy, which I guess no other places could give me.
Actually, I'm still missing my friends, that company.
One thing I'll miss, it's roaming around in the campus at night.
I'll miss my friends, the faculty members.
I can't choose one. For me, it would definitely first be the people, whether it's people around me like friends or whether it was the professors also. They made us feel very welcome here.
The discussions that we had in our classes, they were really engaging, and the professors all know how to hold it in the right direction.
What is one thing you will not miss?
The last moment assignments I won't be missing because it's a very pressurizing thing.
The early morning classes.
How early were they?
I think at some point we had 8 or 8:30.
Yoga has theater, music.
Yeah.
That's not bad, eh?
I had a CRX class at 6 in the morning also.
Yeah.
That is quite
During
early.
So it was not great.
So if you were to meet your first year self now, what would you say to that person?
Don't drop out. Yeah.
You didn't do that either way.
Correct. But we'll be just some more affirmation. Just do it.
Come out of your comfort zone, talk with people, communicate and make relation. That's it.
I would say try as many things as you can. Try new things. There are a lot of clubs and a lot of extracurriculars happening. Don't just restrict yourself to academics because that's also where a lot of growth happens. So yeah, that's all.
Did you get to try all of those?
A lot of those. To take it a little more easy. To not be so scared about what's going to come.
It was my first time coming out of my hometown in a really unknown place, and there is just no one around you, and I have to do everything by my own. So it was so scary. I was I'm not going to make friends, I'm not going to go anywhere. So all those feelings were there, and I was so nervous about everything. Everything really went well, and I had my girl gang. Yeah, so it was so easy. So I would say take everything so easy.
If you could dedicate one song to your journey in this university, what would it be? Could be any song.
Abhi na jao chhodkar.
Abhi na jao chhodkar.
Yeah, this person from our batch, he sang the song at our farewell, and we all got so emotional when it happened.
Puma Blue.
Puma Blue. Yeah, Puma Blue is an artist. Everybody check him out.
Yeah, I see why you are trying to pull.
All is Well is the best song.
काळजाचं सूप झालं, आरशाला रूप आलं, जगण्याला पंख फुटले.